Hey, what's up there, guys? Bobby K here from the All-in-One Profits Rotator Club. I wanted to make a video walking you from A to Z what happens when you sign up with All-in-One Profits through the Rotator Club, what you have to do to get set up. It's very simple, but this is going to take you from when you first click to join, getting set up on our website, getting set up on our team, and being ready to to start promoting and start building your own downline in All-in-One Profits. Okay, so from A to Z, here we go. You just clicked the link with somebody in the Rotator Club, and it took you to this page. This is the sign-up page for All-in-One Profits, their home page. So what you want to do is, you want to come here, you're going to press join. You see a name here, guys. See here it says your sponsor is? Make sure there's a name here. Okay, if there's no name here, something's wrong. You have to get back to the person who first introduced you to the Rotator Club and let them know that something's wrong with their link. There should be a username here and a name here. Okay, once you see now the name is there, everything looks good, you're going to fill out this form. Very simple stuff, your name, address, all that basic stuff. Then it says join All-in-One Profits. It's going to take you to a page where you have to pay. Okay, you can pay by credit card. There's a couple of different e-wallets in there. Okay, Pazer is no longer available. As you guys know, it's no longer available for anything, not just All-in-One Profits. So, there's the regular choices are in there, and you pick whichever one suits you the best, That's a personal decision. Okay, so now you're signed up. Now I'm going to log in. We're going to go through the back office. Okay, the first thing you want to do, the first thing you want to do is you want to go to Members Home. You want to go to Your Details. Okay, you're going to fill this out real quick. This is your name and address, blah, 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 all that good stuff. Okay, then you want to go to Promote. The Referrals tab, and then Promote, and you want to copy your link right here. Your link is the top one, is your direct referral link. Okay, you want to copy that, then you want to go to Toolbox, click on Rotator, and you want to paste this link into your Rotator. Okay, you'll see why later as you go through the tutorials on the website and stuff. But you're going to take your link and post it into your Rotator. Okay, now something important here, guys. When you joined up to All-in-One Profits, your sponsor got an email saying that they got a new member in their downline, just like you're going to get the same email. When you get that email, you need to send a welcome email to the people that joined up under you. Okay, you're going to give them the basic information on how to get set up, with the team. There's so many people that don't do the basics. I mean, just welcoming someone to the team is just the basics, guys. You just send them an email. Hi, welcome aboard. This will help you get started. I have the email actually written. It's in the Facebook group. All you got to do is copy it and paste it somewhere where you have it. Where you have it handy, like a notepad or something. Excuse me, let's take a drink. Okay, I'm going to put this video in that email too. Okay, so that this video is a part of that welcome email to help people walk them through it. But in that email is going to be the website address, right to our team website from your sponsor. Okay, so if he didn't send you that email, you can contact him. If you go here to referrals, show referrals, you'll see your sponsor, his name and his email. You can send them an email too. Okay, but they should reach out to you. Okay, because you want to join the website through their link. Okay, because we have a downline builder, a very active downline builder in there and stuff like that. And you just want to keep the chain going the right way. It's just common courtesy to join things under the person that introduced you to them. Okay, so now I'm going to show you the website. We'll see what that looks like. Okay, this is when you sign up for the website, before this is a page with a video, you just put your name, username, the usual. That's not an opt-in or anything. That just generates a link for you so that you can share this website. Okay, and the next thing you want to do is you want to take your username that you just signed up for All-in-One Profits and paste it here and press save. Okay, so now anyone who comes to this website is signing up under you in All-in-One Profits. Okay, that's the way it works. Now, if you're linked to promote, if you go up here, you'll see edit profile. You click on that. It's going to take you to this page where you can change the picture, and you can find your link that is going to take them to your website. So they're signing up under you. Okay, see, this one is mine. It has my username on it. When you go here, you'll see this link, and it'll have your username under it. Over here, you can change the picture. I don't know why you'd want to change the beautiful picture, but over here, you can change the picture. You put your information. The whole website rebrands to you, in other words. Okay, let's go back to where we were. Okay, so now how do you get set up? Okay, you're already set up in All-in-One Profits. Very simple. The whole website works like this. You just put your username, press save. Okay, now you want to go check out the downline builder and the leads and traffic. Okay, these are programs we recommend. There's not 500 programs in here, guys. The leads and traffic ones are traffic sites that you can make money with. Okay, TE List Builder, Topsurfer. A lot of the members are members of Topsurfer, guys. I recommend taking the upgrade. Leased Ad Space. You may already be a member of Leased Ad Space. You know, just put your username in here and press save. Or you join right here through this link. You know, for all of them. You just join right here. Topsurfer has been a great program. It's one of the best traffic exchanges. One of the longest running. Has over 100,000 members. A lot of eyeballs on your websites and stuff. Okay, and TE List Builder, I'm building a team in there, just getting started in there. And we're going to conquer the traffic exchange game, guys. All right, we're going to make some money. We're going to build our list in TE List Builder. Then you got the downline builder. It's just 2 programs. Okay, this is a $2 one-time payment, coin pressions, and Splash Wizard. It's a nice little site for making splash pages. You can make really nice pages really quick. Okay, so that's it pretty much for the website. You know, as far as stuff to join, it all works the same. You just press join here, put your username, press save. Done. Okay, now let's get to getting you set up and understanding what's going on. You can go here. There's an info and training tab. There are some videos here to show you how to get set up. Okay, you can join our newsletter here. You'll see this a couple places. I'm going to show it to you in another place now. So these are just videos I made to walk you through how to get set up with the system. Our system is very simple. It takes 2 minutes to get set up, guys, and it works like crazy. If you want a system that actually converts into signups and sales, you're in the right place. Okay, this is our marketing and branding page. This is like this is actually like extra. These are like the capture pages that we're using. I'm tripping over my own tongue. These are our capture pages, okay? We'll show you how to get these all set up. We have more in the Facebook group, in the file section of the Facebook group. But these are the newest ones right here. Okay, it's very simple. You just put your campaign ID here, press this button, and then all these links change to your link. All right, let me show you the most important page right now, since you're getting set up. You just got here, right? That's this one, Team Info and Tutorials. You want to click that. Okay, this is one of the first things you want to do when you get here. Okay, you want to put your name and your email here, press this banner, and now you're on our team newsletter. You got to join the team newsletter, guys. You don't have to, but obviously I want you to, because if there's news, if there's something going on, this is how I get in contact with you. Even though I know I want you in the Facebook group too, because that's our headquarters, that's where we talk shop. Sometimes you're out of town, sometimes you're doing so you're not on there for some reason. You could be visiting somebody, it could be anything, you know, but I could definitely get you if you sign up for this newsletter. You know, suppose a capture page ain't working, you know, I don't want you promoting pages, you know, just could be anything, guys. You know, just fill that out. I'm not going to be selling you anything. I just want to keep in contact in case something's going on. Okay, this is how you load our follow-up email campaign, guys. This is a team email series. We got a beautiful email series that works. This is video showing you how to do it, and this is a PDF showing you how to do it. Okay, this is how to edit the series. If you want to, I have another page with the emails printed out on it. You could copy and paste them if you want to do it that way and change the wording. Some people like to do that. That's up to you. We made it an option. The emails are perfect the way they are. You don't have to do anything. You don't have to change the links, anything. It's already all set. The links and everything are already in there. Okay, this is how you set up your personal rotator. This is how to put the thank you page. Okay, if you want to use them, we have special thank you pages we made. They help you use the thank you pages, guys. It gives you better conversions. They look better than the company pages. It's just one of those things that's going to increase your conversions. Okay, how to use the branding page. Okay, that's that page I showed you with the capture pages on it. Here's a little tutorial, show you how to use that. How to promote your new business. Okay, welcome new teammates. How to meet your teammates. This is the Facebook group. I'm going to show you the Facebook group now in a minute. Okay, this is how you get questions answered, how-to videos. This is my channel. Subscribe to my channel. I'm always making new videos, especially when we got something important coming up. I'll make a video about it, and that's how another way we get the word out, just like this video. Okay, this is our Facebook group. Okay, it's the AIOP Rotator Club. This is members only. So don't come here until you're signed up in All-in-One Profits under one of our members. Okay, you're going to be asked who your sponsor is and stuff like that before you're let in. All right, but this is our group. This is our secret hideout. This is our secret laboratory. If you go here to the files, you'll find extra pages to promote. Okay, we also have a team rotator that we added. Okay, it's not necessary. It's what do you call it? It's voluntary. I'd say about a third of the members are in the team rotator. And, you know, you can find out about that. You can ask in the Facebook group, ask your sponsor, or ask me. If you have any questions, guys, you ask your sponsor. You can ask in the Facebook group, or you can ask me. No problem. I don't mind answering questions. You know, make sure you contact your sponsor, though, guys. If you sponsors out there, make sure you contact your people. It's just good form. All right? And you see, you go through here. Clickable images for the team rotator. New capture pages. Okay? Welcome email. This is the welcome email. Ah, this is important, guys. I almost forgot about this. This is the email you're going to send people. When someone signs up under you in All-in-One Profits, you're going to get an email from the company telling you that you got someone in your downline. Okay, you got a new member. So what do? You go to your back office. You'll see them there. You send them an email. Okay, this is the email you can send. You can write your own if you want. It doesn't matter. But this is... it has to have this information in it. Okay, it says get set up with AIOP. This page will help you get set up with our team. This is the link for the info and tutorials page that I showed you before. Okay, sign up at our team website. This is your link to the team website. Remember I showed you where to get your link in the website? You want to paste that here before you send it. Friend me on Facebook. This is your Facebook profile link. Join our Facebook group. Okay, this is our Facebook group. And then you want to put your name and your email. You know, very simple. I'll probably put the link for this video in here too, so that'll be part of the welcome email to help people get set up. So let me see. Is that it? All right, we got pages for the team rotator. Okay, let me show you the email series. Let me go back to see if I can find it. All right, this is the team info and tutorials. Let me go back to the website. Okay, this is our email letters. If you want to copy and paste them, they're right here. Okay, these are our follow-up email series. Beautiful emails. Okay, so you can just copy and paste them. All right, I just wanted to show you that. And that's about it, I guess, for now, guys. Make sure, okay, make sure you get set up in the Facebook group. Okay, make sure you get into the team website. Okay, and take a look at the downline builder, the traffic. Okay, guys, those things are there for a reason. They've been working for people. And that's about it, guys. Welcome to the team. Okay, my name is Bobby. Like I said, this is the All-in-One Profits Rotator Club. And I want to welcome you and look forward to meeting you in Facebook. And I'll see you inside, guys. Thanks.